Hey Logirians, welcome to Logiri. I hope you have subscribed to Logiri's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification on so that you do not miss any of our videos. I hope you're following us on Instagram because we do pretty amazing stuff out there which you should not miss. We are going to talk about Calcutta University's BA LLB entrance exam or 5-year law entrance exam. We're going to see which books you need to prepare from, how can you prepare within a month, how can you prepare if you have 1 year. We are going to discuss all these things and yeah, let's get into the video. Eligibility criteria: you should have scored at least 45% marks in your 12th, and your if you are a SC ST person or a disabled person, then 40% marks are required. Okay, about the exam, there will be only objective type test, that is MCQ type questions. The test will be of 2.5 hours, so good amount of time. General English, general awareness, current affairs, general math, test of reasoning, verbal and non-verbal. There is no negative marking. Now the marks distribution has not been given anywhere, neither in the prospectus nor on the website. Well, different websites have told that in the previous years it was like a 100-mark paper with 25, 25, 25, 25 with a division of 25 each, right? But this is unofficial. Officially they have not given the marks distributions. These are the 4 subjects which have been given. Let's see how you can cover them, and please note there is no negative marking. How to prepare for this exam? Now for general English, you are asked synonyms, idioms, grammar, tenses, prepositions, models, some things like this, right? For general awareness, current affairs, you have constitution, science, important committees, important national and international events, geography, history. These are the topics on the basis of which you are tested. Now, one of the important things that you need to do is you have to buy the previous year question papers. If you live in Calcutta, if you live in West Bengal, you easily find them in Calcutta in any bookstore. So do buy the previous year question papers. Finding them online is a bit difficult because these people tend to take back not only the OMR sheets that you fill but also the question papers, so you won't be able to find them online that easily. And general maths, you have your percentage, geography, geometry, numbers, etc. Test of reasoning, both verbal and non-verbal, blood relations, odd one out, coding, decoding, direction sense test, and etc. Now, I have taken these out on the basis of a student who gave the exam and also on the basis of the sample papers which they have provided on their own website, right? But I would again and again tell you to buy the previous year question papers from a local bookstore so that you have a better idea of the topics which are important. See the books that you should refer for this exam. Number 1 is previous year question papers. Get from a local bookstore of Calcutta. You need to get this. This is very important because you'll get an idea, and also you can solve these previous year questions as sample papers, as mock tests, so that you have a good practice. Okay, fine, this is there. Now the next book that is there is Universal's book for law interest. Now this is a book which is a compendium. What is a compendium? It consists of all subjects. All subjects are there in this book, all subjects, and plus MCQs are also there, the questions which are going to be there. Now if you have very less time, say you are preparing for this exam in a time span of 1 month, then you should go for this book for sure, and you should try and cover all the MCQ type questions from this book. Now when I say all means all the topics that are important for this exam. And how you will get to know which are the topics which are important is when you get a the previous year question papers from a bookstore, right? Now Universal's a book for law entrance. If you want a detailed video, want to see a detailed video on how to use this book, how to study from this book, I've done a very detailed video. I'll leave the link to it in the description box below. You can check that out. The next is, if you want to go for specific books, मान लीजिए that you've a lot of time, you have a 1 year time, or you think that okay, no, this book is not enough for me, I need some good explanations or a good book specifically for each section, then we can discuss the books. For logical reasoning, you can go for R.S. Agarwal. For maths, you can go for 18 Days Wonder by S. Chan. For English, you can go for Renan Martin or S.P. Bakshi. Now Renan Martin is a book which is a bit difficult. If you're good with English and you don't have really any problem, you can go for Renan Martin. Otherwise you can go for S.P. Bakshi. I'll leave the link to all the books in the description box box below so that it gets easier for you to figure out which book I'm talking about. Right now, general awareness, also we call current affairs. You need to cover this from any annual magazine. You can go for any annual magazine. That is, if you have your exam in say 2020, then that magazine would be covering the news of 2019, and then you can go for monthly current affairs magazine. Normally I recommend Prativata, Darpan. You can go for news and events. There are a lot in the market. One thing that you need to make sure is that whichever you start studying, please buy the monthly editions of that very magazine. Don't say that okay, 1 month you buy one magazine, the other. No, go with one only, because they tend to cover the news in like different editions. It might be that one magazine covered it in one edition, like if you are going for January 2020 edition, one magazine covered it in January 2020, the other would have covered it in February 2020. So if you buy one magazine for every month, that is better for you, right? And the best is to read the newspaper. If you can read newspaper, if you have 1 year's time, start reading newspaper. I have done many videos wherein I have talked about how to read newspaper. I'll leave the link to it down in the description box, right? Now, Constitution, if you pick up the sample papers, you'll see there is a question from Constitution in the general awareness section. Right? Again, your Constitution is given very nicely in the Universals book. So this is the book that everyone should buy for sure, because it is really helpful. So there's good explanation of Constitution given. Then you have many MCQs which you can solve, and you'll be done for this exam. Right, coming on to static GK, you have to cover your MCQs from Universal's book. Again, the topics I've talked about in the previous slide, try to cover them. You have a good number of MCQs in this book, you can cover them. Now, going for a specific book of static GK, I would say that whenever you buy a book for static GK, don't buy a big book, like a huge book. Sometimes you get a book which is for IAS, or you get a general studies book. That is not the requirement of the exam. You need to cover the important parts from every topic. You don't need to cover the topic in entirety. You don't need to really go into the depth, right? So get a book which covers the important topics. If you are not able to get hold of any book, then you can simply cover the MCQs from Universal's book. But if you find that solving MCQs is not your thing, you need it in a theoretical format, then you can go for any book. You can go for Lewison's, you can go for Pearson's, you can go for Arihant. There are many books in the market. Whichever you like, you can go for that. And also, when you're covering your static GK, please make short notes. Not only when you're covering your static GK, make short notes when you're covering your Constitution, when you're reading English, even your grammar rules, right? Everything should be you should make short notes, because whenever you have to revise, that you just pick up the book, you just revise the important parts, and you're done, right? You cannot always read the entire thing. Imagine that only 2 days are left. Imagine just 10 days are left for your exam. If you have short notes in your book itself, that would make your life a bit more easier. तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिएगा और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर भी कीजिएगा। चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर देना, ताकि जब भी मैं एक न्यू वीडियो डालूं आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए। और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिले और जो हम एक्टिविटीज कर रहे हैं लॉगिरी पे उसकी नोटिफिकेशन मिले, तो हमारा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप जरूर ज्वाइन करिएगा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट करके नीचे बताइए कि आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी, ताकि मैं और ऐसी वीडियोस बना सकूं जो आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हेल्प कर सके। आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं, वहाँ पर मैं @IAMLogiri के नाम से हूँ। वहाँ पे आप फॉलो कीजिए, क्योंकि वहाँ पे हम बिल्कुल डिफरेंट कंटेंट डाल रहे हैं और चाहते हैं कि मैं आपको वीकली न्यूज़ लेटर भेजूँ, जिसके अंदर मैं लॉ के बारे में और भी अच्छे से बात करती हूँ। तो प्लीज़ अपनी ईमेल आईडी नीचे दिए गए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में एक लिंक है, वहाँ पे जाके अपना ईमेल आईडी ड्रॉप कर दीजिए, ताकि जब भी मैं कुछ ऐसा करूँ आपको ईमेल पहुँच जाए और आप वो देख सके। वो मैं यूट्यूब चैनल पे नहीं डालती हूँ, वो सिर्फ मेरे जिन्होंने न्यूज़ लेटर सब्सक्राइब करा हुआ है उनको भेजती हूँ। आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं जल्द, बाय।